Hi guys, welcome to Oppo Reno 5F unboxing. Oppo Reno 5F is a new release from Oppo mobile phones. And now just to let you know before we do the unboxing, you can pre-order Oppo Reno 5F from Kilimall online shop. And for every pre-order you'll get 300 Kenya shillings free airtime. So just to let you know, we have a lot of goodies and gifts for you for every pre-order. Now we can open the phone and see what is inside the box. So this is Oppo Reno 5F. It comes with the 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. The camera is front camera is 32 megapixels and the back camera is 48 megapixels. So here we have got the phone case and the SIM card tray remover. The user guide, small user guide, quick user guide, and then we have the big user guide just to show you about how to use the phone. Now here we have the Oppo Reno 5F. It is enclosed in a casing. You can look at it, so slim. Inside the box we also have the charger adapter. And then we have Type-C USB cable for charging. So here we have the earphones. It looks so good. Now we can remove the Oppo Reno 5F from the casing and see what is inside, see the features. So you can see it is very slim, very slim. So we can open and remove the SIM card tray. So the tray we can see has the three spaces. For the first one is for SIM card 1, SIM card 2, and the third one, the last one, is for the memory card. Now we can look at the bottom. We have a earphone port, charging port, and then the speakers. At the back we can see the cameras. The back camera is 48 megapixels. It actually comes with 4 cameras, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixels, 2 megapixel, and another 2 megapixels. That sounds great, right? It is also very slim. You can see the design, very sleek and very light. Now the front camera is that 2 megapixel, the selfie camera, that 2 megapixels. So we can power on. Just to remind you, it has a battery of 4,310 milliamp hour. It also has a fast charging, 30 watts fast charging. So we can select the language just to get started. Region, we can select here in Kenya. Then next, user agreement, agree to user terms and conditions, agree to user privacy, user experience. We can opt to connect to Wi-Fi, or we can skip and connect later. We can put on or off the Wi-Fi assistant, and then We go next to agree to Google services. We can put on off, then agree to user terms and conditions. We can set the unlock method. It has a password, fingerprint, and face unlock. We can choose one, or we can skip to set later. Just go to next, import data. So you can import your old phone data to this new phone, your contacts, your files, or you can skip for later. Personalizations, we can skip. So here comes Oppo Reno 5. Oh wow. So you can check it is very slim. So you can go to settings. Storage on 28 GB. So you can check it comes with 8 GB RAM, big for speed. It also comes with 128 GB RAM, big enough for storage. So here we are now, the Oppo Reno 5F. As we finish, just to remind you, Oppo Reno 5F has a display of 6.43 inches, so the screen is very big. And then storage, it has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. The rear camera is a 48 megapixels, which actually comes in 4 cameras, 48 plus 8 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus another 2 megapixels. Let's just see. You can see the camera is very clear. And then the front camera is 32 megapixels. It is a dual SIM with 4G enabled, 3G and 2G, also with a memory card slot. The battery is 4310 milliamp hour, which is fast charging. That was fast charge, which means that within 15 minutes you can charge up to 75%. Now this phone is that 1999 on Kilimall, and you can pre-order it right now and get 300 Kenya shillings free airtime, and more gifts will be coming soon. Thank you.